the most important organelle.
Will fight for all ecosystems.
It supports all types of cells.
Eukaryotic or prokaryotic. Life on Earth will come to an end without ribosomes. Ribosomes are composed of two subunits, a large subunit and a small subunit. These subunits are synthesized by the nucleolus. They join together when the ribosomes attach to the messenger RNA during the process of protein synthesis.
In a cell, ribosomes are found scattered in a cytoplasm. In a eukaryotic cell, ribosomes may also be found attached to the endoplasmic reticulum.
Ribosomes have the critical role of mediating the transfer of genetic information from DNA to proteins. Ribosomes translate this code using messenger RNA. To begin translation, the small subunit of ribosome identifies the precise point in the RNA sequence where it should begin linking amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. The small subunit is then joined by the large subunit and translation begins. The amino acid chain continues to grow until the ribosome reaches a signal that instructs it to stop.
Ribosomes are vital for cell growth and survival. Without them, a cell would not be able to function. Before you consider any other organelle candidates, have you actually considered the harmful effects their malfunctions have on the cell?
Lysosomes are not a good choice for the most important organelle, because their malfunctions can cause at least 50 different diseases. One of the multiple diseases that can be caused by their malfunction is Tay-Sachs disease. When an individual has this incurable disease, their lysosomes can't break down the GM2 ganglioside, which then allows it to grow to toxic levels, causing serious damage to the brain and spinal cord.
The Golgi apparatus is almost as bad as lysosomes. The major function of Golgi apparatus is to store and package protein, but if it sends the protein and lipids to the wrong locations, diseases like Batten disease, Alzheimer's, and other diseases could occur. Batten disease is the disorder of the nervous system, and it causes loss of vision and motor skills, mental impairment, and seizures.
On to the next questionable organelle. Malfunctioning mitochondria have been linked to diabetes, heart disease, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's disease, and can even change normal aging. Depending on which cells are affected, people with these diseases may have muscle weaknesses and pain, digestive problems, heart disease, seizures, and many other symptoms. Some lead to early death. Do you really want to die early? A malfunction of the endoplasmic reticulum stress response caused by aging, genetic mutations, or environmental factors can result in various diseases. These may include diabetes, inflammation, and neurodegenerative disorders, including Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease, and also bipolar disorder. Wouldn't it be easier to have a trustworthy organelle instead?
Ribosomes have been with me from the start. They're always there to keep me alive by making proteins for my cells. I honestly wouldn't be where I am today without them.
I've been very disappointed in the functions of many organelles, but ribosomes never fail to impress me. Personally, my ribosomes have been producing flawless proteins my whole life. I couldn't be more grateful for this amazing organelle.
Ribosomes are the protein builders of the cell. During protein synthesis, a messenger RNA combines with the two subunits of a ribosome. Next, the ribosome is connected to a transfer RNA and eventually creates a polypeptide chain that will make a protein. These proteins are used to support all cellular functions. Ribosomes are found in both eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells because they provide a very important function that is necessary for all cells to function properly.
Ribosomes definitely have my vote for the most important organelle. The mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, and endoplasmic reticulum do not have the right qualities to lead a cell. And don't even get me started on lysosomes. They are straight trash.
I am a ribosome and I approve this message.